Hello everyone, today we have morning tea in Guangzhou. It's open now. Go out early. Hello everyone, I am the same. Then today we will have morning tea in Guangzhou. It is said that this breakfast is extremely cost effective. 48 eat whatever you want alone. What about me today? Order 12. If you eat it alone, that averages for you on each. I feel really invincible. And the environment at their home is pretty good. Let's try it and see if it tastes good. What about their shrimp dumplings? Yes, only one serving per table. But I have to say that the shrimp dumpling is very delicious. Just eat another one that is more standard. Let me eat this plate first. I got up early today to have breakfast. Because the house is for 1,811 from 9 to 11 o'clock. After that, it becomes 68. So I have to catch up with this 48. And we are sitting around 2 tables today. Young people are mainly uncles and aunts. The key point is that their home environment is not bad. It looks clean and tidy. Then the larger ones. I want to eat a barbecued pork bun. Their barbecued pork buns are a bit surprising. Wheat skin is a bit hard. The barbecued pork part inside is really delicious. Not perfect, but it can be considered a perfect barbecued pork bun. Let me tell you a secret secretly. See how delicious the siomai is. Generally delicious, siomai is soft in skin and tender in texture. Then there is a little juice in it. But not too much. Their home is almost like this. So it's delicious. Oh, I saw the plate above. For you on a plate. Wow, my heart is so surging. I feel like I've made a lot of money. In the past, many people would discuss business while drinking morning tea. I think I also concluded a business deal today. Because yesterday, we actually ate 100 yuan per person. I didn't feel particularly full after eating. But today, this one is divided into 48. And it's better and fuller than eating. If it is one, 10,000 friends eat like this with me. That's equivalent to saving a person 100 yuan. If there are 10,000 people, it's 1 million. So today, we are equivalent to doing a big business. It turned out to be a 1 million business. Friends, I was actually a little confused just now, you know. Just a little confused. Now I feel energetic instantly. I'm actually doing a big business worth 1 million, oh my god. Ha ha ha. wine. The smell of tangerine peel is so strong. When I took the first bite, I felt like I was eating candy. Tangerine peel candy. I also love tiger skin and chicken feet. It's not that purely sweet. It's that spicy feeling. It's really good to sell it. That is, the level of every dish is online. They're all quite delicious. I ordered a plate of beef, a plate of barbecued pork rice rolls, this must be beef, but there's too little meat. It's just that you can no longer taste the texture of the meat. One thing is certain for now. I recommend not ordering the beef. The barbecue pork is much better. When I took the first bite, I felt, obviously, the barbecue pork is in it. Very chunky. I think this is the only way to enjoy eating it. I also ate it with steak in it. It's such a big piece. This is delicious. There's a lot of ingredients inside. Are there spring rolls outside? Relatively crispy, but not oily at all. Yogurt cake, just like the old style yogurt we eat. I did it. I toasted one every morning. You can all have a hearty breakfast. Wow, these double-skinned breasts are still hot now. It feels especially like steamed eggs. Overall, it's a very cost-effective store. It is also the cheapest morning tea I've found in Guangzhou so far. The self-service thing is not bad either. They're all delicious. Time of opportunity. Goodbye next time.